Okay, welcome to day 2 of your project. Remember that you should be focusing on the day 1 stuff, making sure that's done before you start here. And I know that the ending thing I did on day 1 was discussing collection method, and then I'm going to start day 2 not talking about a collection method. And the reason for that is because I wanted you to have an idea of a collection method before you actually do the collection method. So because you need to have like kind of a pinpoint, where am I going before I get there? Okay, so let's go over here. Project objectives day 2 is what you're going to be on. Okay. First you need to decide what your experimental unit is. So you have this topic, and now what am I pulling data from? Am I going to pull my data from a website? Am I pulling my data from a concept, whatever? And I would suggest you definitely checking out my video on data collection and the 2 types of collection methods that's going to be posted. But then write out your well-defined population. Now, well-defined means give me a time, give me a place. So you want the W's: who, what, when, where, why, and how type situation. But not the how, because the how is the collection method. The why you don't necessarily need either at the moment. So the who, what, when, and where is what you need for your collection method. And then now you're going to write out your biases. So you have your population sitting in front of you. What do you know about that population? Write that out, because that's a bias. And then make sure to revisit your data collection. Now you're going to have to fine tune your data collection. I want your data collection to be collected from each experimental unit 2 different ways. And you can make the title, your population may need to change slightly due to COVID, and I understand that. We'll talk about that as well. Plan out your actual collection of data, and then catalog any issues that you have. And in the post here, everybody needs to post, because this is a make sure you're here thing today. Your 2 collection methods go right here. Your 2 collection methods go into the discussion, and I'm putting it in here. So 1, to give you some ideas from what other people said. 2, it allows you to kind of start thinking about, well, I'm saying this, is my partner saying the same thing? Okay.